So the Gibraltar stamp and the SN sticker kind of gives it away. It looks like it's time for me to unbox my invite. So if you guys haven't seen this before, these are the invites that the SM Battle Reports guys send out for their very prestigious No Retreat tournament, which I am very lucky enough to have an invite to. So let's have a look. Nice, fancy box, and obviously cheeky couple of stickers in there as well. All right, inside the box. Da da da. Lovely plaque on the inside. Some SN dice. We do like them, hopefully. They'll roll us loads of sixes. Sweets. Can never go wrong with sweets. An awesome set of dog tags. No Retreat 11, Gibraltar, R. McManus, that'd be me. And it says that I am taking my Chaos Demons. So with these, I have a single command point. This is for one use only during the tournament for when I'm really short, which to be honest, using demons is probably going to happen every single game. So I'm going to have to use it wisely. And keep going through. We have a nice key ring, the rainbow dice, obviously. Pardo's favourite. Quite like that. A nice range ruler. I actually make quite a big good use of these. Obviously with the demons you need lots of consolidation moves, so they come in very handy. We have a badge. Badges are always good. More sweets. Again, can't complain. That'll probably get eaten later. And then the very important part. What looks like a little scroll. Obviously very neatly tied up. Bum, 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 bum. So, you were invited by SM Battle Reports to compete against a war host of other players from all around the globe for the prize of becoming the No Retreat 11 champion. Held on the battle barge Sunborn, anchored in orbit around the location known as the Rock of Gibraltar, you are requested to bring your finest warriors and most prestigious generals. The deep echoes of the war drums call out, declare your answer to this challenge, and to whom you owe allegiance. The march to war has begun. Very, very fancy. Good work, guys. Good job, guys. Seeing this has only got me more excited for the tournament. Not got long left now, but I have still got a fair bit of painting left to do. So probably gonna have to get back at it now.